Picture this. You're on your phone in public, maybe replying to a message, checking your bank app, or typing in a password, and you suddenly feel it. That weird sixth sense that someone next to you is absolutely reading your screen. We've all been there, and Samsung clearly knows it because they're teasing something for the Galaxy S26 that's meant to shut that down completely. Samsung has just dropped a set of teaser videos hinting at a brand new display feature that's all about privacy. The basic idea is simple but kind of genius. Your screen looks totally normal when you're looking at it straight on, but the moment someone tries to peek from the side, the content just fades away. No awkward screen tilting, no trying to block your phone with your shoulder, it just handles it. This is basically the same problem that privacy screen protectors try to solve, but instead of sticking an extra layer of plastic on your display and ruining brightness and viewing angles, Samsung is building it straight into the screen itself. According to the teasers, this privacy display, that's the name Samsung seems to be using internally, adds a whole new layer of protection against what they straight up call shoulder surfing. What's interesting is that this doesn't seem to be an all or nothing feature. Samsung is hinting that you'll be able to choose exactly what gets protected. So maybe notifications are hidden from side views or only certain apps, or only when you're doing sensitive stuff like typing passwords or PINs. That's a big deal because it means you're not sacrificing usability just to stay private. In the teaser clips, you can actually see the effect in action. Look at the phone from the side and the content just disappears, while the person using it sees everything perfectly fine. If this works as smoothly as Samsung is implying, it could be one of those features you don't think you need, until you use it once and never want to go back. There is a catch though. Right now, all the rumors point to this being exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you're eyeing the standard S26 or the Plus model, this might be one of those Ultra-only flex features. And honestly, that wouldn't be surprising, considering how Samsung usually rolls out its most experimental tech. As for timing, the Galaxy S26 lineup is expected to land around late February, so we probably won't have to wait long to see how this works in the real world. Now I'm really curious what you think. Is this a genuinely useful feature or just another flashy trick that sounds cooler than it actually is? Let me know your thoughts down below, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.